Elaine says, I bought chuck roast and I cut it thin to pretend it's steak. Yep.
Yeah. And you know, she said she cut it thin. That's another tip that you can do.
You don't need a steak this thick.
And you don't, even your meats and stuff, that goes with the portion size. Cut things thin, the cake small, you know. You don't need the big, if you have a big baked potato, cut it in two for two people to use it. And, you know, and for little kids, frustrates me to no end to see parents, they take a big spoon, a great big serving spoon, and I mentioned this before, and they put like green beans or peas on their 2, 3, 4-year-old's plate. And they wonder why their kids are picky eater. Their kids aren't picky eater. They're just giving them too much food. If you think about it, that's at least a quarter cup I've seen them scoop for those kids. So here they've got a quarter cup of green beans, more than a quarter cup probably of mashed potatoes, quarter cup of some kind of meat, and maybe some salad. That's almost what? That's over a cup probably of food for a little tiny stomach. So make sure if your child is refusing to eat, you know, they'll eat maybe 2 or 3 bites of something and then not want anymore. You need to cut back, and they know how much they need to eat, and go along with that. And don't force them to try to keep eating so much.
Yeah.
And it'll save money. Not that you're, you know, saving money on your kids not eating. My kids got to eat everything they wanted, but don't force them to eat.
Yep.